In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and it's a simple way to keep your files backed up, organized, and accessible across your devices. If you're new to it, don't worry. I'll walk you through the main things you need to know so you can start using it confidently. To begin, let's add files to OneDrive. Open File Explorer and go to the folder that contains the files you want to store in OneDrive. From there, you can drag the file or folder over to OneDrive in the left-hand navigation pane and drop it there. If you prefer, you can also right-click the file, choose Copy, then select OneDrive from the left panel and paste it into that location. This is a quick and reliable way to move important files into cloud storage. Next, let's look at how to access your files. Open File Explorer and select OneDrive from the left side. Inside, you'll see your saved files along with status icons that tell you what's happening with each one. A blue cloud means the file is online only, so it doesn't take up space on your device until you open it. A green check mark means the file has been downloaded and is available offline. A solid green circle means the file is set to always stay available on that device. Blue arrows mean the file is currently syncing, and a red X means there's a sync error that may need your attention. Now let's share files and folders. Right-click the file or folder you want to share, then select Share. A sharing window will open, and it's a good idea to wait a moment for it to fully load. From there, you can enter an email address or copy a sharing link. Before sending it, choose whether the recipient can edit the file or only view it. Then select Send or copy the link if you want to share it another way. To manage sync settings, click the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar. Then click the gear icon followed by Settings. Open the Sync and Backup section from the left panel. This area lets you control how OneDrive protects and syncs your files. You can use Manage Backup to automatically backup folders like desktop, documents, and pictures. You can also pause syncing for 2, 8, or 24 hours if needed. If the option is available, you may also see camera uploads for photos and videos from connected devices. Finally, to backup important folders, select Manage Backup and turn on Backup for documents, pictures, desktop, music, and videos. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Microsoft OneDrive.